G'day folks, Ben from Snows today, checking out Gerber's complete range of tableware and cookware, high quality gear. Specifically today we're looking at the Gerber 9-piece tableware set, which is a nesting set, perfect for campers and caravanners alike. Let's get started. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this Gerber complete range, spelled COMPLEAT, is a high quality range of gear, high quality cookware, knives, pans and everything, so you can enjoy camping in the campsite. You don't have to compromise on the gear that you use. In this video, we're looking at this 9-piece tableware set here, which all nests together. So you get 4 bowls, a large mixing bowl and 4 plates here, and they all fit together like this. Large bowls, really functional, large plates with an edge on it. These are all made with the same material. It's a durable and flexible polypropylene, still rigid enough to hold hot materials. It's not going to collapse, but it just has a little bit of flex to it. Same with these, all polypropylene, so a bit of flex, nice and durable, and going to last a lifetime. Now this is a mixing bowl, 2.5 litre mixing bowl. It's got measuring sections down the side here. There's no grippy section on the bottom or anything, it's just a little ridge there, but a nice large mixing bowl, and that's quite often something that's missing from a camp kit. Now the plates fit inside this as a lid, so if you make your salad and you want to protect it from flies, you can use a plate just to sit in top like that to protect what's inside, or if your meat's marinating or whatever, they double as a lid. Now the 4 plates here, there's 4 different colours, same as the bowls, the colours correspond, so if you've got 4 members of the family, they can pick their colour and use the same one each time. Now these are around about 22 centimetres across this way, same as this is about 22 centimetres across, and that's around about 12 centimetres in height for the bowl there. The plates themselves are about 22 centimetres this way, and it's only about 2.5 centimetres in height like this, depending on where you measure it, because it's got these sort of corners on here, so you get slightly different measures, but around about 22 centimetres. Stiff and ridge around the top here, and the base has kind of got this 3-dimensional thing, which means if it's warm food on there, the heat doesn't transfer to your hand when you're carrying it, if you like. It also gives it a bit of rigidity to the plate there. And then the bowls, same sort of deal. It's got a 3-dimensional pattern on the bottom there to stop heat transfer. These measure around about 17 centimetres across, depending on where you measure it, around about 17 centimetres. And these have got a 1 litre capacity with measurements down the side there, so you can use it to measure material, maybe for water, for dough or the likes, if you've got a measuring device here as well. Little handle on the side here, so when you do hold it, you can use that as a bit of a thumb grip, and that also doubles as a utensil holder. So with these Gerber complete utensils, they just tuck in there, so you don't have to put it down anywhere. You can just put it in the actual bowl there to keep it in place. Now these all nest together, so these are great for caravans and campers alike, and they're square, which means the use of space is really good, or these are, you've got cut off corners, but this square sort of overall shape gives it a really space-friendly way of packing into a cupboard. All nest together like that, durable, 4-piece set with a big mixing bowl. That's the Gerber complete tableware, 9 pieces, awesomely durable. Check them out online at snowies.com.au.